Conditional statements. A common task for a JavaScript developer is to check the value of a variable and perform an action based on the result. If is the most common conditional statement in JavaScript. If the condition in the if statement is true, then the code inside the block is executed. If not, it will be ignored. For example here, value is true, so my function will be called. Else if. We can add an else block after the if block which will run if the same condition is false. If we don't have two separate pieces of code we'd like to run and just want the else statement, we can reverse the value we're checking. This code works by using the not operator, which is written as a single exclamation mark. The not operator converts truth to falsity and vice versa. This means the if statement condition is now true. Conditional ternary operator. If the objective of the check is to set the value of a variable, a better option than an if statement may be to use the question mark operator, which is called the conditional ternary operator. The ternary operator takes three operands. The first here is cheese value. If cheese value is true, then 1 will be returned. If not, 2 will be. The value returned will be assigned to the variable called number value. Switch statement. The switch statement is used in cases where one value is compared to many other values. If there is no match, the default code is executed. When JavaScript reaches the break keyword, it leaves the switch block. True or false. When we use a conditional operator, it's helpful to know what values are considered truth or false. A string is considered true. An array, even if its length is 0, is considered true. An object is also considered true. And a function is also considered true. The Boolean value false is falsy. The number 0 is falsy. Minus numbers are also falsy. Empty strings are falsy. Null is falsy. Undefined is falsy. Nan, not a number, is falsy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.